Welcome viewers to another great year of Broomball at the 2020 Turtle Cup Championships. Looks like it's going to be a great year, isn't that right, Beth Ann?
Absolutely, Ryan. It's 35 degrees and sunny, not a cloud in the sky, and these players are raring to go.
Preparations for the playing surface are underway as we speak. I believe Mike has a report for us on conditions as we get ready for the first round of play.
It's all about safety. See this layer of snow right here? That's going to create a false sense of security. And then people are going to start running. It's going to be a wipeout.
That one patch, and it's just going to be lights out. Yeah, there's quite a bit of traction right now. Oh.
Thanks, Mike. Now, Beth Ann, can you give us a report on what exactly is going on today for those who don't know?
We are at Flat Lake. It is the third annual Turtle Cup Broomball tournament. We're preparing the ice and warming up, thinking about shotgunning some beers, and then we'll get started. Bell's Lighthearted Ale is perfect for every winter sports experience.
Play a role. You played a role. I have some other. Oh my god. It's so cold. Oh, Mike, no. It's so cold.
No.
Oh, it's so cold.
Wow, those beers sure look delicious.
Yeah.
Let's meet the teams playing in this year's tournament.
All right, guys, who are you?
We are members of the Soviet Union national team as Fry's Baked Potato.
All right, who are you, Team 2?
We're the Fighting Ducks! Quack! Oh, we're going forward on that.
Oh.
Who are you, Team 2?
We're the Mighty Ducks!
No, Maggie, you said it wrong! Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
We're the
Fighting Ducks! Quack!
Who are you?
Together, we are Team
Tater.
Tot to take the
Turtles
Turtle Cup.
Who are you, Team 4?
We
are Team Waffle Fry.
Oh, kick it. Yep. Here you go.
This is my Rocky outfit.
Five,
Come on!
4, 3, 2.
I'm sick and I'm bad at this game anyway.
Don't fuck with my duck.
That was really good.
John, what's going on here?
We're a little cold yet.
We're playing small ball, they're playing a traditional center.
Yeah, we're trying to overwhelm John, and it's working.
We're doing good rotation strategy, and I think we're all getting a chance to catch our breath.
You guys are already putting yourself a target on your back going into the rest of the tournament.
I mean, we started with a
came
target
in
on our back.
that way, okay?
We started with a target on our back.
Hello to all my fans. No autographs, please.
I'm seeing a lot of effort. I'm seeing a lot of slides. I'm seeing a lot of good kicks. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is peak Broomball season right here.
You remember my
Big
earlier
Broomball
prediction? That's going to create a false sense of security. False sense of security? It's getting dangerous out there.
We didn't record it in the last game. Tell me what happened.
Well, we won 5-0, but I would say that Team Waffle Fry put up a really good defense. We still dominated, so feeling pretty good about this. Going into a game against the Russian potatoes, I'm not sure.
View.
Yes, that's in. So in. Nice save.
You got it. I got goal.
All right, guys, here we go.
There you go, Mike. There you go, Mike.
All right.
There goes our plan.
That's going to create a false sense of security, and then people are going to start running. It's going to be a wipeout. Okay.
One more.
Are you good?
I'm good.
False sense of security.
Oh, yeah! Patience.
Get it.
Oh, shit. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Good game.
Great arms there, John.
Don't even look at me.
So you, Mike. Quick.
Overtime. 3 minutes. Come on. Well, suck it up. Best match of the day. Damn tight.
Oh God, I can't even say that.
That was the best game I've ever played.
Yeah, that was intense.
And the winners of the 3rd annual Turtle Cup Broomball Championship are Thrice Baked Potatoes.
Soviet Union.
Oh God.
What a game. First, we just want to say we're so grateful for our opponents. They played so well.
Yep.
Can't think of their name right now because I'm so out of breath. But
A lot
Team
of carbs.
Tater Tot, I mean,
We beat a lot of carbs
what a
today.
team. What a team. Great matchup. They really pushed us to the end, and we really worked for this one. All year for this one, baby!
All those training videos, they
Let
really
me
paid
kiss it. Let me
off.
kiss it.
How are you gonna celebrate?
We're gonna
Shotgun
shotgun some
beer.
fucking beers.
Well, I guess the good guys don't win every time.
They sure don't, Ryan. Those Russians sure seem to have a hand in everything these days. Thanks for watching. Join us next year.